Ever heard of Beam Wallet? This cryptocurrency wallet boasts some seriously unique features, like enhanced privacy. But here's the burning question: what network does this enigmatic wallet actually run on? Let's dive in. Beam Wallet isn't your average crypto wallet. It's built on a foundation of privacy, aiming to give users more control over their financial data. This isn't just about keeping your transactions secret, it's about empowering you to choose how much information you share. Now, you might be thinking, isn't that what all cryptocurrencies are about? Well, not exactly. Many popular cryptocurrencies rely on blockchains that are, shall we say, less than private. Every transaction is recorded on a public ledger, leaving a trail of your activity for anyone to see. Beam Wallet, on the other hand, takes a different approach. It leverages a technology called Mimblewimble, a groundbreaking innovation in blockchain technology. Mimblewimble is like a magician's sleight of hand for cryptocurrencies. It's designed to make transactions more private and efficient. Here's the magic. Confidentiality: Mimblewimble obscures the amounts transferred in transactions. You can send and receive funds without revealing how much you're moving. Compactness: this technology drastically reduces the size of the blockchain. This means faster transaction times and lower storage requirements. Scalability: with a smaller blockchain, the network can handle more transactions without compromising on speed or security. Essentially, Mimblewimble adds a layer of privacy and efficiency to the blockchain, making it a compelling option for those who value their financial freedom. So, to finally answer the burning question, Beam Wallet runs on the Beam blockchain. This blockchain is specifically designed to utilize the Mimblewimble protocol, giving users the privacy and efficiency benefits we just discussed. The Beam blockchain is a standalone network, independent of other major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. This independence allows the Beam team to focus on optimizing the network for privacy and user experience. Beyond the Mimblewimble magic, the Beam wallet offers some impressive features. User-friendly interface: navigating the wallet is intuitive, even for those new to cryptocurrency. Strong emphasis on security: Beam Wallet incorporates robust security measures to protect your funds. Active community: a supportive community of users and developers is always ready to assist. These features, combined with the underlying Mimblewimble technology, make Beam Wallet a compelling choice for anyone seeking a private and efficient cryptocurrency experience. Beam Wallet operates on the Beam blockchain, a network built on the innovative Mimblewimble protocol. This unique combination provides users with enhanced privacy, improved efficiency, and a user-friendly experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.